Medicine Wheel Oracle Deck by April Lugo. Medicine Wheel Oracle Deck Internet Radio Daily Reading. Medicine Wheel Oracle Deck. When working with the Oracle Deck, you are connecting to the ancient powers of the earth, her tools for bringing everything we do full cycle. The medicine wheel symbolizes the four directions of north, east, south, and west. The wheel also symbolizes above, below, and within. These are the key main points on a medicine wheel. The subdirections of the medicine wheel hold just as much power and importance as they are the spokes of the wheel, the inner wheel, and the outer wheel positions. The medicine wheel is where we hold sacred space. Sacred space is that special place within self and our environment. This is that place where you can go sit quietly. The energy is clean and clear. The medicine wheel is just a place as you connect to the energies of earth, air, fire, and water, above, below, and within. When working with the medicine wheel oracle, you can honor this sacred space with a few different card spreads or grids. You are simply seeing life and the cycles of life. Life cycles are as limited and as limitless as you make them. The cycles will continue and will flow. Walk the path of the cycle, learning and growing through each experience. The Medicine Wheel Oracle deck consists of 41 cards. Each card has a specific location on the wheel, but when you're reading the cards, you will want to pull the card that is best, that suits your situation, and will reveal to you where you are at on your medicine wheel walk. And today's Oracle deck card is air. When air comes into your life, it is saying it is time to stop. Take a breath. Oxygen gives the energy needed to keep moving forward and accomplishing life's goals. Be consciously aware as you breathe in and out. Breathe in life with every breath, exhaling stresses, tensions, worries, fears, and other things which keep you from living life to the fullest. Do you breathe simply to stay alive, or do you breathe the breath of life, which recharges, supplies the body with the vitamin and the energies and the nutrients needed? Let the gentle breezes blow. If the winds are whipping around you, take time to still the storm. Don't run ahead on into the storm and be wiped out. Breathing in, recharging, purifying, giving the circumstance a breath of fresh air, which can change and readjust things that need readjusted. Exhale concerns, fears, worries, stresses, and frustrations. They can make way for newness and building new strength. Don't hold your breath right now, no matter what is happening. Now is the time to stop the flow of oxygen. Now is not the time to stop the flow of oxygen. Breathe in, concentrate, focus, and set your sights higher. Medicine Wheel Oracle Deck Readings by April Lugo. To secure your copy of the Medicine Wheel Deck Oracle Deck via Internet, iPhone app, or Oracle Deck, contact April at whitewolfapryl.com. May your day be blessed as you breathe in life-giving energy, and remember, air is there